Everyone thinks the best-selling gas tankless water heater is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: VLPAX Propane Tankless Heater. Let's kick things off with the VLPAX Propane Tankless Water Heater. Priced at $292.62, this 4.74 GPM unit immediately caught my eye due to its impressive safety features and sleek design. If you want reliable hot water on demand without the bulk of a traditional tank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts an 80,000 BTU output, meaning it can handle multiple uses at once, perfect for busy households or homes with high hot water demands. The LED Smart Digital Display allows you to easily set temperatures between 95 degrees F and 149 degrees F. And with its compact space-saving design, it fits seamlessly into smaller areas. You're getting rapid heating with just 3.6 psi of water pressure, which is a big deal if you don't want to wait around. Now, some people complained about its installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you're going to love the uninterrupted hot water. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, you might want to hire a pro, but that's not a deal breaker for everyone. This is perfect for you if you need consistent hot water for multiple points in your home. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable, though, as it's designed for a permanent installation. For the performance you're getting, it's a solid value. Now, if that installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with portability in mind. Product number 2: Forimo Portable Tankless Heater. Next up is the Forimo Portable Tankless Water Heater, retailing at just $173.02. The lightweight design and easy portability caught my attention, making it a great option for outdoor adventures. If you're looking for hot water wherever you go, this one's worth a serious look. You can get instant hot water even in the middle of camping trips or at the beach. Plus, it features a maximum temperature rise of 167 degrees F, which is impressive for a portable unit. With 68,000 BTU output, you won't have to sacrifice performance for convenience. The complete accessories package, including a high-pressure shower head, is a nice touch that adds value. Here's the thing, if you're using it for a quick shower after a hike, it should work just fine, but don't expect to run multiple showers simultaneously. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities and need a reliable hot water source. Skip this one if you plan to use it as a primary water heater at home, as it's not designed for that purpose. For the price and convenience, it's an excellent choice for adventurers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for indoor use. Product number 3: Ranine Natural Gas Heater. Now, let's talk about the Ranine Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, priced at $283.71. This unit stood out to me because of its solid heating capacity of 80,000 BTU and 3.6 GPM flow rate. If you want consistent hot water for your household needs, this is worth a serious look. The fact that it has 4 temperature modes tailored for dishes, fruits, elderly, and infants is fantastic for families. Plus, it comes with an exhaust pipe, saving you extra costs during setup. However, I did find that some reviews pointed out that it shouldn't be installed in areas over 2,000 feet elevation. Here's the thing, if you live in a flat area, you won't have any issues, but mountain dwellers should take this into account. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized home and need reliable hot water quickly. Skip this one if you're in a high-altitude location. For the price, you're getting a lot of features and performance. Now, if that altitude limitation was a concern, the next product offers a powerful solution for larger households. Product number 4: Thermomate CZ422NG Heater. Next on our list is the Thermomate CZ422NG Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, available for $407.13. What caught my eye was its maximum capacity of 5 GPM and 113,000 BTU output. If you need hot water for a busy household, this could be the one. Its advanced water flow sensor adjusts heating power 20,000 times per second, keeping your water temperature consistent. That means no more cold shocks when someone flushes the toilet. The energy efficiency of 98% is a big plus, leading to lower operating costs. Now, some users did mention that it might be slightly more complex to install compared to simpler models. Here's the thing, if you're capable of handling installations or know a good plumber, you'll appreciate the superior performance it offers once it's set up. This is perfect for you if you have a larger home with multiple bathrooms. Skip this one if you want something simple to install yourself. For its capabilities, it's a good investment. And lastly, if that installation complexity is a concern, the final product on our list provides ease of use without sacrificing quality. Product number 5, Ranine 4.3 GPM heater. Finally, we have the Ranine natural gas tankless water heater with a capacity of 4.3 GPM and priced at $406.08. This heater immediately impressed me with its smart features and high performance. If you want something that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. It provides unlimited hot water and has a built-in antifreeze feature, ensuring it performs well even in colder climates. However, some users mention the need for professional installation, which can be an added expense. Here's the thing, if you're willing to invest in quality installation, the benefits it provides are significant. This is perfect for you if you want a modern solution that adjusts to environmental changes. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward plug-and-play model. For the features you're getting, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, each of these gas tankless water heaters offers unique benefits tailored to different needs, from portability to high performance for large households. To wrap it all up, the VALPAX gives you solid safety and efficiency, the Forimo excels in portability, the Ranine models offer great household solutions with specialized features, and the Thermomate provides high capacity for busy families. Each serves different needs, so think about what works best for your situation. Whichever you choose, you're investing in convenience for endless hot water.